Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
The enemy of South Africa today is the African National Congress. I repeat, the enemy of South Africa today is the African National Congress. There was a time when the enemy of South Africa was the National Party. And brave citizens at the time said it. Others were scared to say the National Party is the enemy. And nobody believed at the time that the National Party could actually be taken out of power. People died. People are dying today. So, ladies and gentlemen, you must make a choice. Are you going to fight or are you going to pack up your bags?
Sanibona, ivideo namuhla ngifisa ukukhuluma nge-ANC nje kancane. Kunezimpi engizibonile lapha ya eyishaqisayo kanti ngapha KZN bebebiza umhlangano be-ANC bezokhuluma namalungu omphakathi. Kwakhuluma omunye umama ngifisa ukucaphuna ivideo yakhe kodwa singakangeni kukho konke lokho. Kunevideo engiyibonile la ye-EFF. EFF ke ukuthi uyayincoma bavele basuke nje benza into ephambene. No, ngicela ungakhuluma iqala ngicaphunela ivideo bese ngiyaphawula emva kwevideo ngoba lesenzo se-EFF usingidumazini.
Stay forward! Creation of South African level compensation forward! Bring back our land! 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 No peace! No land! No peace! No peace! No peace! No peace!
Uyaqonda ukuthi udaba lomhlaba i-EFF uselokhu yasungula iyalukhuluma ngempela kodwa ukuthi sebengaze bavimba ama-tourist abantu abasuka kwamanye amazwe bezobona izwe lase South Africa bese kuvinjwa bona ukubatshela ukuthi no land no peace. Engani bakhona abantu aba-own iy'nkampani, bakhona abantu aba-own ama-plus, kungani kungayiwa kubo kodwa kuvinjwa ama-tourist. Njengoba uyibona nje le video ibhala ukuthi ngomhla ka-28 ku-April 2025. Yazi i-EFF ukuthi iza kahle bengiyincoma nje zolo lokhu bengiyincoma kodwa ama-members wakhona aphinde enze nje into yawo ephuma eceleni. Angeke ngikhohlwe kancane ke yimi EFF ngibuyela odabeni lwe-ANC. Izolo ngibone nansi ipost ebibhalwe iBayede News. Ithi uNdunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufu secele umbiko ogcwele kumphathisi wezokuthuthukisa kwengqalasizinda uJacob Mamabulo. Lokhu kulandela imbiko ukuthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe ukhokha imali engaphezulu kwezigidi ezingama-30 ngenyanga ye-rent yezindawo zamahhovisi kodwa uhulumeni enamabhilidi angama-41 angasetshenziswa muntu. So lilonke i-ANC ikhokha more than 34 million rand, more than 34 million rand ngenyanga i-rent ama-office kodwa banama-building abalelwa ko-41 angasetshenziswa. Awukucabanga nje uma ngathiwa bebefuna indawo yokurenta bebengathatha i-building eyodwa ngalo 34 million bebengalungisa lama-building wabo abe mahle abesezingeni kodwa bakwazi ukurenta i-building 34 million ngenyanga for ama-office wabo. Sizomcaphuna ke ANC akhulume bese siqhubeka nevideo.
That a lot of private sector will have left, the CBD to other areas like Rosebank and Sentin. And there was a conscious decision by the provincial government that let's remain in Joburg so that it does not necessarily become a ghost town. And of course, some of the buildings that we might have purchased will have been quite longer, and therefore there's a heritage, rules. You cannot just change as and when you like them. There are particular rules, and that will obviously cost government quite a lot of money to basically do that. So in terms of the immediate was then, let's say, let's go and do the lease agreement around that particular aspect. What really is a question is that is 34 million per month justifiable or not? And that's really what we would want to be assisted by those who must basically do the investigation.
So is that to say that the Gauteng government knew for the last 2.5 months, 2.5 years at least, that this was the case, that you were spending over 30 million in lease when you own at least 40 buildings in the province?
Remember, in terms of the CBD, so you've got about 41 buildings across Gauteng, I think about 29 of them or so in the city of Tshwane, then you've got about 12 in the CBD of Johannesburg. And as and when we basically move, then you'll find some of other buildings basically being condemned. And obviously, logically, the workers will then feel that we can't work in this particular environment.
Nango kuyaqinisekisa ukuthi for 2.5 years edlule iGauteng i-provincial government yaseGauteng beyazi ukuthi i-ANC spenda 34 million rand ngenyanga ukurenta ama-building aba nama-office, kodwa bona banama-building angaphezu kwa-40, banama-building ayi-41. Uyazibuza nje ukuthi kungani bengalungisanga ngoba le mali abayikhokha lapha ngenyanga njengoba bethi banamalisi lapha yana angeke bavele baphume nje kulawo malisi ngoba lonto izokhosta igovernment imali eningi. So ngicabanga ukuthi nalezi zinto ezikhona ku-ANC azidalwa ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ukungena esikhundleni ngoba kuyadliwa. Wonke umuntu manje uselwela ukuthi akangene esikhundleni ngoba kuyadliwa. Ngizokucaphunela izimpi zakhona.
Well, the nature of the leases obviously are not necessarily long-term lease. You've got about the three-year leases to an extension of a possible 2 years, so it's about 5-year lease. So you can, as you revamp other ones, and then you release yourself from those particular leases so that you are basically need to deal with that. The long-term goal is to remain in the CBDs, in particular in Johannesburg, reinvest in the CBDs, but crowd in, private sector investment so that we are able to then show the ability to remain in the CBD and invest in it in a long haul. So the leases are really a temporary measure and not necessarily a long-term goal.
Yeah, bathi ama-leases lawa ay-temporal. Kodwa i-lease ya 3 years, mobile 34 million okhokhwa ngenyanga eyodwa. Ngonyaka bakhokha malini? Eminyakeni emibili emithathu leyo ngoba bathi ungayi-extenda nge-2 years, i-lease agreement leyo. So i-ANC isaquba yona lento ukuthi badle nabathize ngoba banedeal nabantu abathize, ingakho besenza ama-office wabo. Bese kuthiwa i-ANC ayinamali, bese abantu bangakhela imigwaqo ngoba imali ingekho. Kodwa imali isetshenziswa ukuthi bona babe kuma-office afensi. Banama-buildings wabo bathi their aim is to remain in the CBD eJohannesburg. Kodwa banama-building labantu eJohannesburg. Why bengakhi lama-building wabo? Why bengaba-renovate abesezingeni labalifunayo? Shouldlo 34 million ubungeke ulunge? Angiyeke kancane siqhubeke nokunye. Kodwa nje iyangidida le ndaba. Hayi konakele ngempela lapha ku-ANC amalunga khona lo awodwa buka la. Ngoba belibele ukulwa bodwa bazozinaka nini idingo zabantu. Ubani ongangichazela ukuthi njengoba belibele ukulwa bodwa nje akusivi lokuqala lawa siwaveza ANC beshana bodwa. Lana uyabona ukuthi i-Youth League nakhona kuyaliwa. Bazozinaka nini idingo zabantu. Bebese ngapha KZN ngiyazi indawo ukuthi kuphi la bebe yokhuluma khona namalungu omphakathi. Zwana ukuthi aphendula thini wona.
Budget ngi-100% sure ukuthi akhona okodwa okuzokwenziwa. Okuqinisekisa lokho ukuthi ibudget ekhona manje eya 2025-2026 nangonyaka ozayo nizobe nibuya nizoshenye ibudget and then neshow yakho konke konke lokhu enikhiphe lawo kwase-Ward 5 kuzobe sekushintshiwe. Kwi-budget sangonyaka odlule kwakukhishwe i-ground ekuthiwa uMathapeli Sport Ground. Alisekho la, alikaze kodwa kulungiswe. Siney'nkinga, i-service delivery asiyazi nhlobo e-Ward 5. Abantu base-Ward 5 awazi uma ukhuluma nabo, uthi uma ukhuluma nabo batshela ukuthi umkhandlu usizakala. Asizakali ngalutho. Into esinayo i-service delivery izinto eziwu-5 zaka-disaster, iward iyonke. Enye into asinalutho. Njengoba kadesho nje, kwanamathuba omsebenzi washo ukuthi akhona ayasithusa sine-Ward 5. Kwamathuba omsebenzi asinawo. Ukuba khona amathuba omsebenzi, ngabe abantu abasha asikho la, ngabe sisemsebenzini.
Yabona i-ANC ke iya excel yona political party engiyaziyo ekwazi ukukhipha abantu abangasebenzi makhankaswa bayo recruit abanye abantu abangasebenzi babathembisa ukuthi bazothola imisebenzi uma bevotela ANC kuzokhandeka amathuba emisebenzi. Yona political party engiyaziyo yasiqhubeke sizwe abathena amalungu omphakathi.
Lo suka la ngezansi kwase warehouse uzogcina lapha e-Ward 5 koBhameni. Ubudla la ngezansi kwaseMall. Lo wamgaqo namanje awulungisiwe namanje. Kodwa okwesibili mina understand ukuthi iyaphuma ibudget yalo yona. Kodwa kwenzekile namanje. Siyakhala kakhulu uma ngathiwa kuvuleka la mgaqo mhlambe namathuba emisebenzi angavuleka. Ngoba nami ngomunye nje umuntu ongasebenzi. Sengishawa namahloni okufaka iskipa senhlangano yami. But too much labantu bayazi inhlangano engiyilandelayo. Ngikhuluma lezi inkatholo ngifa imali nayo ke ifakile. Usha waguga ngilandela inhlangano engangisiza ngalutho. Angisizakali ngalutho. Ngenxa yokuthi ke into ke mawuthanda ugive up ukuyilandela. Into enjalo nje. Kuthanda ukuba nzima kakhulu empilweni zethu thina kakhulu iyouth. Ngingakhaleli neyouth kuphela too much nje abantu enqwaba nje abasebenzi bani. Asisebenzi besicela nisiyekelelise. Kuyimanje ungangibona nje ngiclean ubala ngiphatha kanzima. Mina. Angisebenzi mina kodwa omunye umuntu ongangibona ngihambela ngayitshela ngiyasebenza. Inhlangano yami ayingisizi ngalutho. Ngize ngishawe na ukufaka iskipa senhlangano yami. Ngoba manje abantu bavele bangibuza ukuthi unani le nhlangano yakho? Awuyiyeki le nhlangano yakho ikusiza ngani? Ngiyacela bakwethu nisize kakhulu thina esinilandelayo because if nivuka nithi nakho kunecala ka-Abelthuli kumele siye eMaritzburg siyolalela sibhizi siyaya silambe sinjalo. Yabona kunzima kakhulu bakwethu impilo esiyibona. Bese ngiyalana futhi uyabona la mafemi lawana ko-web eziyaqindezeleka iy'ngane zakithi bakwethu. Ubone ukuthi hayi ngikathi ngiyofesela ukuthini lapha ngoba kuyafana nje. Imfukumfuku into eholwa lapha ebuhlungu bameya sicela usiyekelelise nalapha. Ziyahlukumezeka iy'ngane zakithi lapha ziyavuka phela ngoba seyibalela ukuhlala ekhaya. Kunzima kakhulu nje empilweni. Mina-ke manje bameya sengizoyicelela kwena ngoba ekade ngangicela ekhanseleni mhlawumbe senginesicefe manje. Ngithi angicele kwena bameya namhlanje ukwenza ungiqashe bameya.
Asive sibhlungu isililo esikhalwa ngabantu abakhala nje kanje bethi abasebenzi. Kanti ngesikhathi kukhankaswa bathenjiswa amathuba emisebenzi. Nansi into ebuhlungu yokuthi abantu bathenjiswa. Kukhona into yakenziwa uPresident uCyril Ramaphosa wathembisa abantu ukuthi uzokwakhiwa amathuba emisebenzi. Ngisho ama-graduate azoqashwa. Wakusho lokho kuFebruary ka-2024. Kuthe ngoJanuwari ka-2025 kwakumenyezela ukuthi ama-contractor wasavuselelwa othisha ngoba ugovernment akanamali. Yena lo government ospenda 34 million ngenyanga ugrant ama-office ekubene nama-building ahleli angawasebenzisi. Kodwa akanamali oqasha odokotela. Hayi ukuthi akanamali oqasha odokotela abangenasidingo na. Ey'ndaweni zasemakhaya zinakiwe abanendaba nazo. Banendaba nazo mzukwana sekusondela ukhetho. Nabantu abanjengobhuti lo Ngiyacela abantu baphume kule mindset yokuvotela inhlangano abayithandayo, abavotela inhlangano ezokwenza umehluko ngoba kusiza ngani ukuthatha labantu bafaka impeleni engcono bangene eParliament bahole 100,000 ngenyanga, sengithi 1 million, 1.4 million ngonyaka, bahole 100,000 ngenyanga, babe nama benefits, babe ne medical aid, bathuthe endaweni lezi enhlala kuzo nina, bayohlala esilungwini, izingane zabo iphume kuma public school ziyofunda ey'koleni zabo zomntaka bani. Ngesikhathi sesifunda lapho zonke lezi inkinga eninazo abaziboni. Asiqhubeke.
Sukumile abanye bangikhavile. Mawukhumbula kahle ngakhuluma la emva kwaloko wabuya ubaba uMbhele wathi usekhulumile ne-office lakhe. Akhona ama-project e-Ward 5 ayenzeka. Wasitshela ngoGothini. Sathi sesibuyela kuyena simtshela ukuthi ayikho yonke lento ethi i-office lakho liyayenza. Wathi hayi uba ukhansela wenu uzocommunicate naye ngibuyele kunina ngizobheka isimo ewadini kodwa kuyangixaka ibudget masibuyisile oGothini nizowakha kanjani umgaqo obuveli wakhiwa ngonyaka odlule sasibamba manga besithi awukho umgaqo
thina siba ingabi kwindlela nebudget iphela
lama project lawo kuleya budget yaye before last iwona nanisifakele wona nangenza lutho kweya last year ngashintsha ngafaka okunye nangenza lutho even housing le yaseSankonje yayikhona kwi-budget yango 2022-2023 asingenziwa ilimi siyazi vele Ward 5 anisithandi kodwa ubaba uMbhele wasukuma and le nto yeni le budget niyihlela kamnandi ngoba nje asesikhulumile sabuza senzofika seniphendula noma nibamba amanga akekho ozobe samphikisa nizobuya nizonibeka ama-officials la azophendula ngamanga.
Here are the problems that are facing the ANC. The habit of telling lies.
Ibhlungu lento eniyenzayo and njengamanje mawuthi uyabheka la awekho amakhansela la okuchazayo ukuthi le budget le iphasiswe ama-officials ama-ward councillors shuthi bekuthembo yedwa kade ekhona ngoba ukwazi ukuvuma lo doti
yebo uvume kanjani
ufuna ukwenza manje thina wathi lethu ukhansela useza ufike ne-laptop ngoba siyamquestiona asitshengisa ukuthi ngikhulumile ne-official ewubani iphendule yathi ngiyikulandelile ngayijaha kwakuthi kwakuthi ibingeke isiyivume lento elethi ikhansela bengeke liyivume lento le-budget le iyakhombisa babucaba ukuthi iphasiswe abantu ngolesihlanu mhla 25 ekuzongena iy'namba zangempela amasalarabo abaholi 30 cent abantu abaphasise le-budget sizokwenziwa kuyimanje sizwe izolo ukuthi kuza i-budget speech
ngobani
labo lekota banoshumela
ngisoshukela senzekile
ufakazi wami wasawamkhawula oyomnye ngasho ngathi kufanele ngabe ngiyayibukela ibudget ngayijabulela kodwa ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi angiyimpileli angeke uze kungijabulise lokho ukuba ukhawula usakhona namanje ngabe ngiyakusho lokho ubaba uMphemba wathi nine-project engaka ibulela nge-fencing ngaseCatholic ngoba nani wayethe ubaba uMphemba yenzeka ibuyiswa yini ifaka kanjani kwibudget
senzekile
abafethu angadlaliwa ngathi akungazalwana sasenzile ilimi kuyimanje thina Ward 5 sakhala ngendaba kagesi u-5 to 9 ugesi uyahamba abantu bayafa hayi ndabongani ushawo khabadolo wazalomani nobaba uyabhekezwa silala singalele usuzwa ngisho iy'nkukhu ekuseni uthi awu ngiyabonga sekusini ngoba siyasaba siyagqekezela kusuke kumnyama kwenzeka yonke leyo wafika ukubuza izikodwa awazile wakhuluma no-Proud Goldman, may his soul rest in peace wayilungisa wayemfonele nathi e-ofisini lekhansela yalungisa undaba ka-5 to 9 sajabula kwakuhle wayilungisa same day okukhombisa ukuthi amandla okuyiqeda lento ka-5 to 9 i-leadership inayo ngoba ama-deployment yalunga
Ya abantu manje bakhathele ANC. Engingakusho nje kubantu sizani bani bakithi. Akivotwe out ANC kunikwa abanye chance. Akivotwe out ANC kunikwa abanye chance. Akhona ama political parties maningi. Kodwa kusiza ngani ukuhlala lothandweni ukuthi hawu siyayithanda ANC? Hayi. Ngoba ayibasizi ngalutho abantu. Yabona nje into sisazibalayo. Kusho ukuthi abantu baseThekwini babaluleke makuza ama-election kuphela. Angiphinde ngicaphuna ivideo yokugcina bese siyayivala.
When you fight, you must identify the enemy clearly so that you know who is the enemy. The enemy of South Africa today is the African National Congress. I repeat, the enemy of South Africa today is the African National Congress.
Kufanele umuntu omusha noma ugraduate awusebenzi. Kufanele mangabe awunawo amanzi. Kufanele mangabe awunawo gesi. Ngiyazi ziningi indawo engenawo amanzi. Kunabantu abaneminyaka bengenawo amanzi. Awaphuma empompini zabo ngoba bayi project. Labo bantu labo bayimali eningabi. Ngoba bayakwazi labantu be-ANC ukufaka obhululu babo baletha ama-water tank lokho kuthiwa ama-waterkan alethela abantu amanzi ngoba bayazi ukuthi ithenda yabo le yabadla ngayo. Kufuneka leso simo wazi ukuthi ulapho ngenxa ye-ANC. Funa wazi ukuthi kuleso simo ngoba i-ANC ayikhathalele futhi labantu baseParliament lapha bazikhathalele bona. Kumanje befuna ukusicindezela ngeVAT. Sibonge nje i-EFF ne-DA. Sibonge kakhulu futhi i-EFF deserve more than 9% ewutholile kuma national elections ngendlela abasebenza ngayo. I deserve more than lokho. Amanye amavote abekufuneka ye-ANC awaye ku-EFF. EFF ibalekile ukuba khona eParliament. Ibaleke ngempela ngoba yenza noma ubani ophethe umsebenzi angahlali nje anethezeke. Maningi ama-political parties akhona futhi ngiyacela ningawakhohlwa ama-political party abe wavotela ukuthi asicindezelwe ngeVAT. IFP, UDM, Al-Jama, iGood, iBosa, Action SA, ANC, iPA, yini enye engikhohlwayo. Wonke lama political parties abawavotela ukuthi asicindezelwe ngeVAT. Nize ningawakhohlwa mzukwane kuyovotwa. Funa manje yovota nazi ukuthi nanka ama-political parties ayesicindezela uma engasabuyela emandleni azosicindezela kakhulu. Ukube i-EFF kanye ne-DA abathathanga ngegxathu lokuya enkantolo ngomhla ka-1 besokhushulelwa iVAT ngenxa lama-political party. So ngiyacela nje uma kufika isikhathi sokuvota kuyavotwa ngonyaka ozayo kuma-local government elections. Nize ningawakhohlwa lawo ma-political parties ukuthi akacishe esicindezela lama-political parties kwanqanda lama-political party amabili. Ayizosicindezela sivele isimo sibheda. Kodwa uma ngabe uhamba emgwaqweni kunama-pothole funa wazi ukuthi i-ANC kungenxa ka-ANC. Uma uhamba emgwaqweni ingakhiwe imigwaqo, ama-RDP engaphelile engene ingxenye engaphelelanga uma amanzi engekho funa wazi ukuthi ANC. Ngoba isitha esikhona manje silwa nabantu abamnyama i-ANC. Kwaphuma umuntu omhlophe ekucindezeleni abantu abamnyama kwangena omnyama qhubeka wacindezela abamnyama. Ngiyabonga.